Okay. Hello, everybody. This is your Dr. Lucian. It's clearly going to be a different day now. It's the next day. Not even the next day. 2 days after. Well, in this video you're about to watch, I'm doing some food tasting on some weird food to me. So, without further ado, here you go. Hello, everybody. Oh, well, lights on. Well, you just watched me eat that damn burger, so now I'm going to switch things up, make it a little scarier, or not scarier, more entertaining. That light is blinding. I say spots. Zigzags. Anyway, so I picked out some things out the Wal-Mart. First thing I got, mussels in a can. I opened it up just now, and it's like, holy crap, the smell and everything that just comes out of that. Ooh. I like mussels, like, at least raw ones that I boiled, or they're thrown on the grill and they just pop open. Those are freaking delicious. I don't know about these ones. So, without further ado, I was told I need crackers, but I ain't got crackers. You might have just heard it. I do have toast. So, here I go then. Let's see if I can get a piece. Oh God. Oh God. What? I think it's like olive oil on it. Get a sniff. Smell. Well, here I go. This is gonna like coat my mouth. Well, that ain't bad. It turns to mush in your mouth. If you like smoked fish, something like that, you'll enjoy this. But I do think it'd be good like on a really crispy piece of toast or something. It kind of reminds me of smoked mullet. If you had that, only bad thing about that, you'd be tasting it 6 hours from now. I'll probably be tasting this 6 hours from now. Alright, well, moving on to the next one. Trying mackerel and olive oil. How the hell am I supposed to open it? I wish I had like a little stand to kind of be hands-free, but I don't. Maybe I can get this one-handed. Yeah. I'm doing it. Ugh. Come here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Sure I didn't pick up cat food by accident. Might have got cat food, people. Hopefully not. Hopefully I didn't just pause my video. What'd I do? Okay, it's fine. Let's see what this is like. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Holy crap. Guess I'm gonna have to eat all that, right? I better be good with hot sauce all over it. It is drippy. Get the drippy olive oily off. This is probably gonna put me in the bathroom. Here I go. It reminds me of chicken. It doesn't taste like fish. It reminds me of chicken. That ain't bad at all. I like that. I think I like that better than the oyster. Alright, for the next one. This was a pain in the butt to open. I could not find my can opener. Giant steak knife to the rescue, though. This is tomato with sardines. I like tomato. I like sardines. Why not together? Right?
Sure.
You want to taste it?
No.
You want to taste it first? One of you guys? No? Okay. I'll give you some toast with it.
No thanks, I'm good.
She's afraid. Anyway. That was my ear. She's made Don't like, comment, or subscribe about her.
What?
She's a tool. Anyway.
Yeah, you are.
We're gonna try this. I thought it was like liquidy. I went to go and put the toast in, and it's like a giant lumpy lump. Guess I'll try the juice first. That don't even taste like tomato. I want to find out what that lump is, though.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Okay, there's all kinds of lumpies in there. Oh, because it's the fish. Ooh. Try that all by itself first. I don't know what you'd even put that in. It don't taste like fish. It don't taste like tomato. It don't taste like salsa. And like, nope, don't eat that. Ugh.
So, that's a definite no.
Alright, next thing we're gonna try. Chorizo! Hopefully I won't choke on it and die, and people in the afterlife will make fun of me. But I actually got poisoned.
Would have been her.
Yeah. I didn't poison him, he choked on a chorizo! Probably saying that wrong. Sorry for anybody who doesn't watch this.
Most people don't even attempt the accent.
Can't even open.
Chorizo. Don't look at me. Stop. She's not going to choke on a chorizo.
The choke on a chorizo! Alright.
Just eat it.
It's a hard sausage.
It'll be okay. Well,
Dog's
someone
all
else
excited. He's
is.
like drooling over it. I don't want to bite. Good, look at that. It won't break! Ugh, okay, it broke. We are planning for like a dinner with this tonight, so I'm only gonna eat a little bit. No, it tastes like wet jerky. Like the whole feeling of biting into like a Slim Jim. I wish I was making it up. It's good. It just tastes like you're biting into a giant Slim Jim with a weird flavor to it. And it gets all over your fingers.
It's the best part. Good food is messy food.
I think
Grapes.
Slim Jim
Sloppy joes.
copied that.
Lasagna.
Lasagna? Yeah, you liked our lasagna, didn't you?
I'd eat that as a snack. Alright, I'm gonna edit that from there and get my last bit. Alright, and we're back. She's playing Until Dawn. I want to play the new one. If I knew how to record record the gameplay and then put on YouTube, I would. Maybe in the future, I'll figure that out. But we're still doing food. And I believe the last bit of food is done, and it smells like pickled eggs. And my wife dyed them blue, then she put yellow. We have green chicken feet! You know, green eggs and ham. Why not green feet from chicken? I picked like a random recipe online, simple one. Water, vinegar, sugar. Look at that monster one. They're so like gooey. This would actually be like a really great idea, my wife was saying, for like Halloween. Even like sitting them out just so people can be like, ew. So, I believe without further ado, I'm gonna try and eat this. Ooh. Hopefully I didn't just ruin that. No, I didn't. It's good. Anyway, that's one right there. I took the nails off. You don't have to chew on them. Yeah. It smells like pickled eggs. It's pretty cool. I like it.
Showing you lack of respect for poor things.
Oh God. The phone's still hard.
Disrespectful, disdainful, scornful,
Hard.
contemptuous, derisive, disparaging,
I don't like it. I really don't like it. It tastes like watered down pickle juice. The texture is weird. What? I probably should add seasonings. But I was going from what this little dude on YouTube was saying, so I'll give it another good size bite. I'm going to take like that palm.
Did you add the sugar?
What the hell?
Jess, hey.
Jessica, over here. You guys having
Okay.
a really weird stroke?
If you like chewing on the cartilage part
Please let us out.
of like a chicken bone, like around the chicken leg, that soft part, you might like those, because that's kind of what I'm getting. I mean, there's different ways I didn't have that you can fry them and everything. Oh God, the finger came off in my mouth.
I'm just doing like Sam taught me. Other people.
I gotta figure out what to do with all this.
Do not be a jerk.
They were only $2 too. Okay.
Good friend and dear class president Michael Mackerel. And what
Those are not good.
arriving like our Jessica be capable of imagining.
No, you want something pickled or anything like that? Stick with real pickled eggs from the chicken. Don't eat the feet. Maybe there is like a good recipe out there for that. That ain't one. I'm done before I throw up. Ugh. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe. I'm doing my best. I'm doing this for fun.
What?
If you don't like it,
I mean,
share it anyway. Help me out. Tell me something to do. Maybe find some way of like help me figure out how to edit and do videos. But until then, bye-bye. Okay, so my wife doctored up my chicken feet. It's still green. It looks like a Frankenstein foot of slime. So, see if I like it now. I doubt he will. Reminds me of mustard. It's hot. I mean, it tastes good. It's still just the feel,
The texture.
the texture.
Well, at least I fixed your flavor. I think.
It's like chewing on the end of like a chicken bone, the little cartilage part. Like you're just sitting there and trying to gnaw that piece off because you can't help yourself. That's what it tastes like with bones in it. But it tastes a lot better than what I had before, so. I mean, I'd eat it. Not by choice.